Good morning, everybody. This is Right Thing Motos. It is a brisk Friday morning. It's like hovering around 20 degrees Fahrenheit. For you selfish people. For you Celsius people, I have no freaking idea what that is. Oh wait, it's below zero. It's below zero for you Celsius folks. It's freezing. It's really, really cold, guys. But yeah, headed to work. Feels good to be riding the Moto. I got my heated gloves on, got some thermals, got a thick pair of socks, got a scarf on, hoodie, all the good things. I got layers, you know, that's what they say you need layers. I don't have any layers on my face though, and that's pretty chilly. Extra cold. I also do not have a pin lock visor, so unless I'm moving around like 40, 45 or so, my helmet fogs up pretty badly. So yeah, I have to like ride with it cracked once I start to hit the traffic. Anyway, cold weather riding, yeah, very fun. Yeah, today I want to talk about bachelor parties. I don't know if you guys want to talk about bachelor parties, but I do, so that's what I'm going to talk about. My cousin is getting married in May. He asked me to be his best man. I felt uncomfortable being asked to be his best man, and only, you know, there's a couple of reasons why. Number one, we're not like super duper close. I see him like 2 or 3 times a year, so there's that. Two, he's got a brother. Shouldn't your brother be your best man? Like, I feel like that is also a big, like, hey man, like, I feel like I'm getting put in a weird spot, and I don't want to be like some bad guy. But I guess, you know, that's not my responsibility, because, you know, somebody's going to ask, like, hey, you know, be my best man. And I even advocated for his brother, like, yo, dude, you know, maybe your brother would be a better bet for this. But he said no, he wanted me to do it. Alright, fine. So I'm doing it, and, you know, one of the fun parts, anyway, is getting to plan the bachelor party. And so I hit up, you know, his groomsmen. You know, his brother's one of the groomsmen. One of my cousins is another groomsman. You know, they're good people. And then some other dudes I don't really know all that well, and or at all really. And so I'm trying to plan like some like cool shit. I want to do Costa Rica. Like, hey, let's go to Costa Rica. You know, we're gonna party on the beaches. You know, we're gonna do zip lining. We're gonna do some like cool stuff. It's not that expensive once you're down there. Or we could do Vegas, you know. Worst case scenario, we do Atlantic City. And like 2 of the guys, everybody was like, no, maybe Atlantic City. Oh, just so disheartening. And then, you know, some of the guys that I don't know, like, they don't want to leave their towns. I'm like, what? What the hell is going on? The bachelor party is a time where you get like a free pass to escape. You know, you supposedly get married once, maybe twice in your life, sometimes 3 if you're, you know, you need a little extra help. But the first bachelor party, anyway, should be one of epicness. It should be really fun. And like, I don't know, I guess I'm not that into the idea of like renting a cabin in the Poconos, you know, or just going to a strip club. Pardon me. Or just going to like a strip club or something. Like, I don't know, it doesn't seem fun. I mean, I guess it's all about like what you make of it. And I think, you know, I'm gonna sound like a douchey piece of shit right here, but I was talking to my wife about it. She brings this up, so blame her. But part of it is like, you know, I didn't stay in my hometown. I moved to New York City. I have experience traveling. I really enjoy it. You know, I can like wrap my head around like what something like this would look like. And all these guys, like, they've never left their hometown for whatever reason, you know. They don't do a ton of traveling. You know, part of it is they also don't have a ton of cash, and I can understand that. But come on, like, one of the guys, like, I was like, well, how many days could you get away if we do like a cabin? And he's like, I don't think I can get any days away. And I'm like, what? You can't even do a freaking weekend? You can't even do a Friday? Come on. So I don't know. Again, I don't know my cousin's friends like that, but just everything seems a little fishy. So yeah, ideal bachelor party would be like Costa. I wouldn't mind going to like Cartagena, you know, Punta Cana, like someplace dope. Even Vegas, like I'm not all about Vegas. Like I'm not a real big gambling fella. But I know my cousin digs gambling, so all the places I was trying to bring up have gambling. You know, so he can like kind of do his thing too. No. What am I gonna do with that? So I don't know, man. Frustrating situations. Anybody have bachelor party ideas out there for dudes that don't want to leave their hometown or have any money? Asking for a friend. So that's it. That's my bachelor party dilemma on this very chilly Friday morn. Not gonna let me over. Thank you. Fuck you very much. I almost forgot that I had to deal with traffic. It was really nice this morning. Anyway, that's it. Thoughts? What do y'all think? Talk to y'all later. This is Right Think Motos. Y'all have a beautiful day.